Hi, Yaron from Deepchecks. Uploading data to Deepchecks has never been easier. Whether you're a highly technical user, a data scientist, or a non-coder, we've made it simple to get your LLM application data into Deepchecks and start observing, evaluating, and monitoring your LLM apps quickly. There are three main ways to upload data: using a CSV, or Python SDK, or tracing instrumentation. Let's elaborate on each. First, CSV upload. This is perfect for evaluation set data, especially for non-coders. You simply fill a CSV template with your data fields, system metrics, and optional metadata. The template and instructions are detailed in our docs. Then, in the Deepchecks UI, select your app, version, and environment, and paste your CSV. Done. Your interaction or version will immediately be visible on our platform. Next, the Python SDK. Our SDK is powerful and flexible, giving you functions like log interaction to upload a single span, and log batch interactions to upload a batch of evaluation data programmatically. All functions and data structures are fully documented, so developers can integrate Deepchecks into any pipeline effortlessly. Finally, tracing with OpenTelemetry and OpenInference. If your LLM framework supports it, you can capture traces automatically and upload them to Deepchecks in real time for observability and evaluation. We support more frameworks all the time. And if you prefer, traces can be exported and uploaded manually instead of during runtime. So whether you're using a simple CSV, the Python SDK, or tracing instrumentation, uploading data to Deepchecks is fast, easy, and flexible, so you can focus on evaluating your LLM apps and not on moving data around.